Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some WeatherTech FloorLiner HP floor liners for Ford F-150 trucks. Let's get into it. All right, so the great thing about WeatherTech is you've probably heard of this brand before. They are very well known for their made in USA products and specifically for their floor liners, which are kind of a laser measured liner that protects the floor, the wheel or the footwell of the vehicle. And this product that we're unboxing here is called the FloorLiner HP. It's a newer variation of their very popular floor liner series. One major difference between these two products, and I'll point that out when we get to it, but this is for a 2021 through I think 2025, could be wrong, Ford F-150. Now these are laser measured liners for a very specific vehicle. So these are not a universal mat. You can't buy Ford F-150 liners and put them in your Silverado. You want to make sure that you get your year, make, model, and all that correct when ordering these. You also have different variations depending on if you've got carpet flooring or vinyl flooring, if you've got bench seat up front or bucket seats up front, if you're getting the front liners or the crew area liners and things like that. So this is for the front, driver and passenger. I believe this is the driver's side. Now the main thing that is different between the FloorLiner and the FloorLiner HP products from WeatherTech is going to be this additional strip of protection that you get here on the side. In the F-150, I believe this covers over kind of that door threshold, or at least part of it right there, and that's a part that just always gets dirty and scuffed up and stuff like that when you're getting in and out of the vehicle and so on. And so they give you this extra protection over here. Now the rest of this is gonna be pretty similar to the normal floor liner product. You can see we have these raised edges here on the side. It keeps a nice reservoir for all of your liquids and snow and salt and all of that that might come off of your shoes or boots or whatever it may be. It's not gonna slide off the edge or anything like that. They have this nice little area right here where it kind of dips in. This is really the reservoir, so it collects all that moisture and things like that and doesn't flow out onto the carpet and things like that. Nothing's worse than buying, you know, a floor mat and then it just, all the stuff just seeps off into the edge and then gets concentrated in one part of the carpet. And so this is a nice product right here. You can see right here we have these two little retention clips. If I turn this around, these are going to snap into some OEM locations on the vehicle to keep this from sliding around and, you know, potentially interfering with gas pedal, brake pedal, and all of that. You also do have some little spikes right here. They're going to grip onto the carpet to prevent this from sliding around. You can see in the design here, it is very structural. We have all this cross hatching, if you will. It's going to give this some nice structure and prevent this from sagging and really make sure that this is the lowest part on the mat, and this is raised up and it's not going to sink down over time and things like that, so that all your liquids do drain down into this little reservoir area. This has a rubbery feel, but it is a plastic product. No off-gassing or anything like that. You can't tell when you're buying those online what it's going to smell like. These do not have an off-gassing or smell like anything like that. I've purchased some of those cheaper mats and things like that, and they just end up stinking up your vehicle and you throw them out and you just wasted all that money. So make the right choice the first time and get a good product. So we do have here our driver side. Again, tension posts, reservoir, nice plastic material, additional little spot right here for the HP. And then on the passenger side, very similar. Got that additional strip right here and very similar design. Doesn't look like there is any retention posts, and that's usually because the vehicle doesn't have it. So a lot of times they'll put it on the driver's side so that the factory mats don't interfere with the brake pedal and the gas pedal and things like that. And sometimes over on the passenger side, they don't have those retention posts in it. And so WeatherTech kind of follows the lead of the manufacturer there for the design of the product. So again, you can get this in a couple of different colors, black, gray, tan. It might make a couple of other colors, but black, gray, and tan are gonna be the most popular. And this is the front row. We also have them for the rear row. Obviously, those are gonna be different size depending if you have a crew, you know, an extended, or Obviously, if there's no seating back there, it's not gonna be a liner for that area, but those are gonna be separate products. They're sold by the row. Sometimes you can buy them together, the front row and the second row. A lot of times you're just buying per row. Now, if you're interested in this WeatherTech product or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.